Hi, my name is Amber at Kimberbell, and we're going to go over the double bow tutorial for the boho blossom punch needle. All right, so we've got our cord to make our double bow, and you want to make a sign language K so that your thumb's resting on your middle finger. So I'm going to go ahead and hold that while leaving a tail. Hold that cord with my thumb, and I'm going to go up around my index finger and then down around my middle. So you're kind of making a figure 8, and I'm going to go up around it again and down around that. Once I've done that, I'm going to take this end, and then do you see that hole right there? I'm going to go ahead and take it and tuck it in that hole, bring it around. Now I've got this line right here, and I want to take my end and just come up through that hole that I've created in that line, and then I just want to pull it tight, and then that gives you your double bow. And then you can go ahead and play with it if you have one that's a little bit bigger. Just kind of make it look nice, and then go ahead and stick it on your project. So after you're done making your double bow, you're going to want to attach it right here. You can do that and tack it down with thread or with glue. Thank you for joining us today, and you can go ahead and check out our other punch needle kits at kimberbell.com.